Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. This is your girl Asia, and if this is your first time visiting and you enjoy anything wig, weave, or fashion related, be sure and hit that subscribe button and join the fam. For today's video, I'll be reviewing this beautiful Yaki straight unit, and I'll be putting it through my faithful system to let you know if it's worth your coin. So if you're interested in learning more about this, keep watching. Okay dolls, this video is sponsored by OMGqueen. In this box you'll receive a baby hair brush, an adjustable elastic band, as well as the light Yaki unit. This is a 360 glueless lace front wig. This unit already comes pre-plucked and pre-bleached, and you're going to get about 4.5 inches of parting space. There are 2 combs in the front, 1 in the back, along with an adjustable elastic band. They've also included a removable adjustable elastic band for more security. So I'm going to put this on my mannequin just so you can see what this pre-plucked hairline looks like. And as you can see, it looks pretty good straight out the box. There's a good amount of parting space on this wig, and as I mentioned, it is a 360 unit, therefore you can wear it up in a ponytail. Now I'm going to go ahead and pluck the front of this unit a little bit more. This is totally optional, guys, because this unit already comes pre-plucked, so you do not need to do this extra step. But I am a creature of habit, and this is about how much I plucked it further. As you can see, it's not that much of a difference. Next, I'm going to use my hot comb to lay down the top of this wig. I get tired of walking back and forth to the stove, so I did buy me a Marcel stove, and it makes it a lot easier. Next, I'm going to use this flyaway tamer that I got from my first wig. As an alternative, you can use the carrot care wax stick. I'll be sure to provide links for these in the description box down below. And that's going to just help this straightening comb lay down this hair a lot easier and a lot smoother. I like to do this while this is on the mannequin head because it allows me to get closer to the root and not worry about burning myself. Next, I'm going to pass the flat iron through the remainder of the hair just so everything is nice and straight. And this wig is 180% density, so I think you'll appreciate the fullness of this unit. Okay dolls, so the last time I had my video, you guys requested to see how I reuse my ball cap. So instead of fixing the ball cap before I filmed, I decided to show you guys. Okay, so as you can see, this ball cap it's actually more than sliding back. It actually looks better than it is because it already lifts up. You know, half of it is like it's literally hanging on for dear life. Okay, at this point I really should just rip it off, but I'm gonna put it back on just so that it helps to stay, just so it helps me to know how it was originally lined up. Now, if this was still gelled down with the Got2b glue spray, what you would do is just simply take like a damp rag and gently work your way from one side to the other and pat it with the damp rag, lift it up, reapply the spray on your skin, and then reapply the ball cap. And I'm going to demonstrate that now. So since it's still holding on right here, I'm going to pull it down over my hairline. Since I'm starting, I'm going to take this spray and I'm going to reapply the spray on top of the hairline, and then take my blow dryer and blow it dry. And as you can see, I put it a little past my hairline, but that's fine because I'm gonna cut it when I'm finished. And then I'm gonna do the same thing all the way across. And now I'm gonna show you how to get this part out. I'm gonna take my damp rag and I'm just going to press it in like this. Wipe my hair so it's free of the hairspray. And now I'm going to just take this and pull the remainder of this cap down. Uh-oh. Dang, this cap got a run in it, but I'm still going to use it. Okay, so this is not ideal. Obviously, if you have another stocking cap that you could use, go ahead and use a new one. However, sometimes you don't have another stocking cap available, so this is an option. I'm going to just go ahead and clean up these edges with my scissor. Okay, so this is what it looks like. If you want to, you can apply some foundation powder to the perimeter. I don't usually do that. So now that it's laying down, I'm ready to apply this unit. And this is how it's looking. I'm gonna use this eyebrow razor and get as close to the hairline as possible without cutting the lace. What the hairline is looking like. This elastic band is actually placed too far down in this wig cap, so it's not giving me that tight fit like it should. As you can see, it's still kind of like loose on my head. It's not as snug. Like when you have the elastic band on, it should look like this. Not like that. So I would suggest sewing the elastic band a little higher up on the wig over here, more closer to the combs, because that'll give you more of the snug look that you're going for. But for now, right now, I'm gonna just use my Got To Be glue spray and spray this down. This is a little too long on the side, so I'm going to just cut it off and just cut around your ear. Let me leave some sideburns. Let's see. I'm gonna tie it down for 10 minutes. got this in 18 inches. Since it is Yaki straight hair, I like to get it in a not too long length, since it does have a natural look to it, so it looks a little bit more realistic. Let me stand up so you can see how long this is on me. And it lands right about here. Where it falls in the back. And real quick, I'm going to try to bump the ends to see if it holds a curl. Let me give you a close-up on the texture. As you can see, it mimics African American permed or straightened hair, and it appears to have taken to the curling iron just fine. So I'm not getting any tangling. I did get a little bit of shedding, but no tangling. And this is a 360 unit, which means you can wear it up in a ponytail. Since I didn't resew the elastic band in the unit, I just decided to do a half up, half down, just to see how that looks. So dolls, I went over the top with the flat iron again just to lay it down a little better. So this is what it's looking like. So let me know what y'all think about this unit. OMGqueen is having one of their biggest sale right now, so you can get this unit at a highly discounted price. Also, I have a coupon code for you guys. I'll be sure to include that on the screen as well as in the description box down below. And for the unit I reviewed last week, I did pick a name for that unit. So the new name as well as the person who submitted that comment will be listed right here. So dolls, y'all already know. I need y'all to name this beauty. What are we gonna call her? She's very natural looking. She come pre-bleached and pre-plucked and ready to install. So go ahead and leave your suggestions in the comment section down below. And if you're not subscribed to my channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and join the family. Make sure you hit your notification bell as well so that you know when I launch my videos. And as always important, until next time, you guys stay blessed. And if it be God's will, I'll see you in my next video. Take care now.